vlog, and we are on. Where are we? Where are we? You have to watch the cameras. Where are we? We're on the
God, stop us.
No.
God, stop it.
Can't.
Stop the water.
Oh shit. Sorry about that language.
Oh, Jordan, go down with you. Go down with you.
Stevie, how do you feel?
Fine.
You know, we're on, you know. Oh, here we go in the tunnel.
Watching everywhere.
I was getting scared.
We're going to film the haunting.
We should have some smoke effects or something in here.
Yeah, something. Apart from. Oh. I'm going to fart.
Oh, don't.
Oh! It's me. It's me.
No, not me again.
Camera.
That's a disappointment.
Oh!
You had the move.
You heard Steve, you know when you said this is disappointing, I wanted something to go.
Oh, it's like, have you seen that video on YouTube of that woman off Tower Times getting that the whole wave over it?
Yeah.
Oh,
So we're going to put the camera away now, aren't we?
oh, it's up to you.
Because we get more wet. Here we go, Stevie.
Whoa! No!
No, we're back.
No.
Yeah, we're going now. So see you later, and